Lumka Oliphant, the former spokesperson of the Department of Social Development, speaks about her fallout with the current Minister of Social Development, Sisi Tolashe. Let us listen to her.
I don't know.
Tell me why you were fired. Why do you think you were fired? What is the
reason?
The reason from your perspective?
From my perspective, funny that the Friday before I got my letter on the Monday, a colleague of mine called me and said, said to me, he got a phone call from the DG. And the DG was sort of maybe trying to find something about anything about me. Anything wrong about me. So he asked him about DSD TV. I don't want us to talk about DSD TV and why it was started. So, and he said to him, there's nothing wrong there, DSD TV. You won't find anything there on DSD TV. And there's one thing about me, I file, I make sure that reports are done, I make sure, because I understand that this is taxpayers' money. So, and he told him that, no, you're not going to find anything there. You can go, the AG had already audited this, the DSD TV the previous year, and they didn't find anything. Yes, and so he says, hey, they don't like Ulumka in the office of the minister, you know, the advisor don't like Ulumka. And I've been hearing stories that they're saying that Mina and you know, that thing that
so
they
carrying
do,
a baggage.
that thing that they do in the ANC of camps and all of those things. Yeah. So it then comes back and it plays itself out even in government.
Yeah.
Yes. So, and I was saying, no, they can bring it on. It's okay. I don't have anything to hide. And the thing is that I cannot erase Bathabile and her contribution to my career. I can't. Yeah. Just as I cannot erase the Star, City Press,
True,
and all the other
newspapers
that I worked for.
There's been drama that has been brewing in the Department of Social Development between the long-time serving spokesperson of that department, Lumka Oliphant, who of course, many South Africans do not have good experience about Lumka Oliphant. She's one of the very arrogant spokespeople, especially during the tenure of Bathabile Dlamini, when Bathabile Dlamini was the Minister of Social Development. Lumka Oliphant was one of those arrogant spokesperson within the ANC government. But now she has had a fallout with the incumbent, being Sisi Tolashe, who also happens to be the ANC Women's League president. So you then ask yourself a very pertinent question to say, these ANC factions and battles, the impact that they are having in the government, in terms of how government is supposed to function. And because guys must remember the importance of the Department of Social Development. It is one department that is tasked with taking care of the vulnerable in this country. So when these ANC factions are playing it out at the government level, what do you think is the level of the impact this has on the people who rely on these departments for their daily needs and survival? Which is something I think these ANC people, they never think about such things. Or they think about them, but they just do not care about impact these things they have on this broader society. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Timo Skosana, Kamakuma Africa.